This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. This spacious ranch home located in Meadowbrook has an open floor plan, and great indoor and outdoor living areas. The main level of this home has a large living room that is open to the formal dining room, that is also open to a family area with gas fireplace and walkout to a patio area with views of the wonderful, fenced backyard. Just off the family area is a beautiful kitchen with white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and breakfast area. This home also has a large media/great room with wood-burning fireplace, and built-ins. The home has a large primary bedroom with spa-like bath and large walk-in closet. You also have another bedroom with ensuite bath and one other bedroom has a full bath. Other great features are the oversized 2-car garage, large mud room.